This in my hand is a 4T aluminum channel, and if you can see this closely, you will understand why it is called so. So in this video we will understand how to make frames for our robot, because eventually we need a frame first so that we can mount most of our sensors, do the wiring, and everything is built around it. Then accordingly we need to cut our frames and then join them to make the building blocks. Here we see a aluminum channel, the nuts, the screws, a L bracket, and also an Allen key. So in this video we will try to put together the frame by looking at this example, and I'll help you out throughout this video. So let's get started. This in my hand is the L bracket I was talking about. You can see there are two slots inside it, so you can use that and then use the screw and nut to fasten all these things together, and then you will have a firm and rigid structure. See, we will try to fix in T shape the settings I have shown, and in my hand is a nut which is a M5 nut. So M5 basically means the diameter of the nut, the, the cap is of 5 mm, and you will see two different types of nuts in this video. The first one is a sliding, the second one is a pop-in. So basically, as you can see, the sliding one, I can just slide the nut through the channel and then just tight the screw from above. So we will have a look at that. Right now I have taken the screw and I have also fastened a pop-in. So one screw will have pop-in, the other one will have a sliding nut, so that I can demonstrate both of them how to use them. So let's get started. I am first of all taking two screws and tightening it with the L bracket. Now I have done this same on the second side, and now we use the Allen key to tighten the nuts, and now in my hand is a rigid firm structure. We probably made a gun, so yeah, we can see it is strong enough. And then we do proper planning, the first foundation stone of how robots are made.